VectorStock Stock Honest Review Watch Before Using. Welcome to this honest review of VectorStock. If you're looking to enhance your designs or projects with high-quality stock images, vectors, and illustrations, you're in the right place. Links to VectorStock are in the description below for your convenience. VectorStock is a subscription-based service that provides a huge library of vectors, illustrations, icons, and other design assets. It's designed for professionals in graphic design, web development, marketing, and even social media managers who need to quickly access quality visuals for their work. The platform offers both a pay-per-download and subscription model, so it's flexible depending on how often you need assets. The main feature of VectorStock is its extensive collection of over 60 million vector files, with new content being added regularly. These vectors are high resolution and can be easily scaled without losing quality, making them perfect for everything from logos to banners and print materials. The search functionality is powerful, allowing you to find exactly what you need with ease, and the site also offers a variety of categories for faster browsing. One standout feature is the ability to download free vectors, but the full library of premium content is where the real value lies. For anyone serious about graphic design or marketing, VectorStock can be an excellent resource. It saves time by offering ready-made assets, so you don't have to spend hours creating everything from scratch. However, it's worth noting that while it's very affordable for individuals or small teams, large companies may find the licensing and usage rights a bit restrictive. To wrap up, if you're looking for a reliable stock asset platform with a broad range of high-quality vectors, VectorStock is a great choice. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found this review helpful. By doing so, you'll help others discover useful information and stay up to date with the best design resources.